The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2010 Honda Odyssey. We've equipped it with the Yakima TimberLine towers and the Yakima CoreBar load bars. Now we've plus sized it from the 50-inch specified bar to the 60-inch load bar for more carrying capacity. But this does have a 165-pound evenly distributed total weight carrying capacity. Crossbars are currently at 32 inches center to center with a listed crossbar spacing of 40 inches. So this is just a quick look at this TimberLine system on this Honda Odyssey. For complete year range, details, pricing, and availability, click the link on this in the description below, or feel free to reach out. And thanks for watching.